Hey, we're out in the bushes this morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Look at the size of that oak tree. Isn't that something? All green and nice. Maybe that rain the other day helped a little bit. So you can see we're sort of in a forest here. Really kind of neat, huh? Tell you what, we'll go down the road here. I'll show you a dirt trail this morning. There we go. A little jiggly this morning. One hand on a handlebar makes it a little tough. Oh well, we'll get along. We'll get back out here on the pavement where it's a little easier. There we go. Here we are. Catch a bridge here. Creek is dry. Dry over there too. Yeah. We got a maintenance guy here. Morning. Okay. We'll pull over here in the shade and stop. Have a power drink by the barbecue. Is this a pretty area? There we go. Yeah, but guy doing maintenance. Pretty park. And there's the barbecue.